In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to follow someone on Waze app. So grab your iPhone and let's go through this together like you're doing it in real time. Go ahead and open the Waze app on your phone and give it a second to load until you're on the main map screen and everything looks normal. Now, when it comes to following someone in Waze, there's an important thing to understand first. You don't follow someone by searching their name or profile. Instead, the other driver needs to share their live drive with you. Once they do that, you'll be able to follow their trip and see their progress on the map. So while you have Waze open on your iPhone, the next step actually happens on the other person's phone. You'll want to instruct the driver you want to follow to open Waze on their iPhone as well. Once they're in the app, they need to tap on the search bar and search for their destination like they normally would. After they search for the destination, Waze will show route options. At that point, they should tap on View Routes, then choose the route they want and tap on Go Now to start navigation. This part is important because sharing only works when a route is actively running. Once navigation has started on their end, tell them to look at the bottom of their screen and scroll up to open the destination details. This is the panel that shows route information and options while driving. When they scroll that panel up, they'll see an option called Share Drive. Have them tap on Share Drive. When they do, Waze will show different ways to share the live drive. From those options, they should tap on Copy Link. This copies the live drive link to their clipboard. Now this is the key moment. Tell them to send that copied link to you, either through a text message, chat app, or any messaging app you both use. Once you receive the link on your iPhone, simply tap on it. When you tap the link, Waze will automatically open on your phone. It will take you straight into the live drive view, where you can see the other driver's route, their current location, and their progress in real time. At this point, you are effectively following their drive. You don't need to sign into a different account or add them as a friend. As long as you have the link and Waze is installed, it just works. You can watch their movement on the map and see updates as they continue driving. This is really useful if you're meeting someone, coordinating travel, or just want to keep track of when someone will arrive. Instead of constantly texting or calling, you can simply follow their drive and check their progress whenever you want. While you're following the drive, you can keep Waze open, or even switch to another app and come back later. As long as the drive is still active, the link will continue to update. Once the other driver reaches their destination or stops navigation, the shared drive will automatically end. If the link doesn't open right away, make sure Waze is installed on your phone and that your internet connection is working. Also double check that you tapped the full link and not just copied part of it. It's also worth noting that the driver can stop sharing at any time by ending navigation, so if you suddenly stop seeing updates, that usually means the trip has ended or navigation was stopped on their side. If you want to follow another trip later, the same process applies. They'll need to start a new route and share a new drive link with you. Each shared drive is tied to that specific trip. This feature works best when both phones have a stable internet connection, since Waze relies on live data to update locations in real time. If the connection drops, updates may pause temporarily. So just to walk through it one more time in a smooth, natural flow, you open Waze on your iPhone, the other driver opens Waze on theirs, searches for their destination, taps View Routes, taps Go Now, scrolls up to destination details, taps Share Drive, taps Copy Link, and sends that link to you. You tap the link, Waze opens, and you're now following their drive. And that's it. That's how you follow someone on the Waze app using your iPhone. It's simple once you know how it works, and it's a really handy way to stay updated on someone's trip without any back and forth messaging.